everyone, I'm Peter Yu and welcome to my YouTube channel. What I got today with a video to share with you and showing you how to set up and how to mirror laptop to TV. And I got the three different ones. I got the LG Smart TV and a Sony one, and the other one Samsung with the frame QLED 65-inch. And I will tell you, set up channel one by one on the TV. And someone say you can, mirror, laptop to TV, any smart TV, but not explaining exactly to set up on the TV. So I hope this video can help you. And if you want to set up, mirror on TV and mirror laptop to TV. Okay, so let's start now. And before beginning, give me a favorite, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will notify the new video to come. Okay, and I'll show you with the first TV, with the LG Smart TV. And use the remote control, click on the to find with the device connector here. Click on it, and you see with the PC here. Click on it, and on the left hand side the screen share. Click on that, and on the left hand side at the bottom one is the mirror cache. Click on it, and now on the laptop, with the right click and display setting, and you can roll down and see with the connect wireless to display. Click on it, and now use the remote control. Click on the start and click on the right hand side at the top corner there with the TV name on the laptop. Okay, so it's connect now, and click identify on the TV or on the laptop. Now you see with the mirror laptop to TV. And if you click disconnect on the top here, that's for the LG TV. Okay, the next one with the Sony. Okay, and now with the Sony one, for the Sony Smart TV, and so that you use the remote control. Go to setting and roll down again, and right click, right move, and you see the screen mirroring there. Click OK, and now on the laptop, right click again, and go to the go down at the display setting. Click on it and roll down again. Connect wireless to display here. Click on. And now you see the right hand side of the top corner there with the TV name, the Sony one, and click on it and use the remote control, accept, press OK. Connecting now. Okay, and use the laptop, click the identify. And now it's connect. That's the connect now. And okay, I will show you the last one, the Samsung one. Okay, now the last one, the Samsung one, the frame QLED 65-inch. There's no need to set up on the TV, and use again with the right click on the laptop and display setting and roll down, connect wireless to display, click on it. And you see with the TV name Samsung there with the top right corner, and click on it. It's now connected, and click identify, and exit. And I got a couple of things to mention it. This is the new Samsung. If you got the old model, even if you're a smart TV, but you have to check on the screen whether it's set up and follow the instruction of the TV. And that's all for this video. If you think this can help, please give me a favorite, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you notify for the new video to come. Okay, thanks for watching.